How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem? To do that, you need to come back from WhatsApp and go to the settings of your mobile device. Scroll and find out the apps. Open App Management and you have to search WhatsApp on the search bar. Open WhatsApp. This will let you access to the app info page of WhatsApp. Scroll and open the storage uses. Now tap on Clear Cache. This will help you to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. If not, come back from here and go to permissions. Make sure to allow all the apps permission of WhatsApp. Open the call logs and tap on allow. On the similar way, you can do it for all the applications of WhatsApp. Once you have done that, come back again to this app info page and go to manage notifications. You need to toggle off the allow notifications button. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds and again toggle on allow notifications button. The next thing you need to do is you need to head into the Play Store or App Store of your device and search WhatsApp on the search bar again. Check if there is any updates of WhatsApp Messenger. If you see update button instead of open button, that means your app is not up to date and you need to update your application. Since I have the updated version, there is the open button. The last thing you need to do is you need to restart your device. Just hold on your power button and after that you need to slide towards restart and restart your device. So doing so, your WhatsApp voice message problem will be definitely fixed. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.